early start on a beautiful day on the northern beaches, and it's action-packed. I think my little sister's around here somewhere, Madison.
Where have you been all the way this morning?
It's a bit small today. Oh, that was a fun little wave, hey?
Yeah, awesome little sunrise session.
I don't know about you, but I'm getting a bit peckish. Should we grab a feed?
Yeah, why don't we go to rollers?
Sounds good. Oh, thanks, mate.
Enjoy.
Cheers, brother. I'm going to do a bit of a snorkel from Manly to Shelley. Want to come check it out?
Yeah, for sure. I've never done that before.
You've never done it before?
It's bad to say.
Now it's time, a little bit more adventure. I'm headed north to Pittwater to do a bit of kayaking. Hey, Stu.
Hey, Hayden, welcome to Pittwater.
Thanks, mate.
Right, Hayden, I was telling you before about these Australian fur seals. That's them straight over there.
There he is, having a snooze.
Just having a snooze. They like the sun. He's probably full of fish.
What a life. On the way now to pick up Maddie, because do a little bit of snorkeling around Shelley Beach and Cabbage Tree Bay. How good is that? Shelley Beach like you haven't seen it before. Get it nice and coated, and then just in there with the hands. All right, that smells good, looks good as well. Let me know what you think.
So good.
That spice isn't too much for you?
So good.
And that sunset, really, really good.
What a day.
What a day.